walk on the pitch and we all good. So walk on the ground. What can you?
Sorry. Can we turn it over to you? Okay, go again. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay. I can do it!
Watch out, can you like trip over the
Ja, zo nu op de kop.
Hey Dad, the match ball. On, 2, 3, go! Oh my God, I'll do this. Go!
Well, score a goal and you can celebrate in the corner.
But I don't have a ball.
You just have to pretend.
You can't go, so that is move on to the next pass, okay?
Bro, do it again.
Folks, keep over this side for me, please.
I kicked the floor.
We'll go and celebrate to the crowd. Go on and celebrate to the crowd, go on.
I haven't scored.
Don't get a chance to do it again, go
I
on.
haven't scored a single goal. Let's go kick. I'm gonna go score. Messi's better than Ronaldo. That's right. If I score, I'm gonna prove you wrong. You can get out. Lads, watch this.
Lads, can you come over this way now, please?
Dad.
As quickly as you can, folks.
So the first to over there when no.
They're capturing it so that when they play for Liverpool,
Hopefully.
you'll play it back
Hopefully.
again. Yes, sir.
Are we going to
Hopefully.
do it today?
No, one day when
One
you're
day
bigger.
you'll play for them.
Oh, Dad, I just done a new side and went.
There you go.
You should be celebrating to the crowd.
This is the best one of all time.
Don't go away.
I need to score a goal. Everybody, wasn't that so cool?
Okay. We're going to head down that way in a minute so you can hurry up with the photos, please.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Come on!
Oh, he's running with them kids.
Okay.
Go on, Sonny, go and get...
Don't knock the ball off the plinth, boys. Just
Now,
leave it
Luca,
as it
to the
is.
side, I can't see you. Hands in the air. Hands in the air. Look at me, Luca. Yay!
Race, 2.
Okay, let's
Wait,
go.
wait.
Next ones.
Come on over this way.
Over that way, please.
Nice one, so back to the photos, guys. Come towards me.
Sonny,
What, I'm coming. Are we having a massive race?
Come up again, mate. I'm going to beat this kid.
Luca, Sonny, get to the front, go on.
He's been calling me baldy and everything. Stay there, stay. Come this way. Everyone get over this way. And cheat away from the last couple. Wait, hang on. Don't cheat. I know you're going to cheat. Jay, I think you need to remember that.
1,
Full start, get back.
I knew he was going to cheat. Wait, I'll give you the head. Darren's in charge. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Stones.
Come on, guys, you come down as well. You don't have to run.
Listen, this is your chance now. Run and score a goal in the cup and then celebrate. Go on. Go on, run and score a goal in the cup and then celebrate. Go, run, go.
You not stopping it. Wiping the kid out. I have to do. That's the best run of my life. Guys, start coming down this way, please.
Go and celebrate to the cup. That was you. I'd go and celebrate to the cup after 3. Go and celebrate in the cup. That's that stand there. Go on. 1, 2, 3, go. There, that stand there. Just pretend all the fans are there.
Some photographs here if you wish to do so. All that we ask is you stay this side of the goal, please. Stay this side of the white line.
Go on. I'm going to get a photo. Go and stand with Sonny.
I'm going to score a goal.
Oh my God.
Let's do it again.
Right, can you just stand next to each other to get a photo?
I'm going to do a video.
Just stand next, go on. Stand next to each other to get a photograph, come on. Stand next to each other to get a photo. Come on, everyone's waiting. Okay.
Now you try to score a goal. You try to do a goal. Alright, this is going to be easy. That's on the bin.
Luca. Luca. Luca.
I tried to score and then save it. Can we have it?
Centre circle, do the kick off.
Yeah. Look, you pass to me.
Hey John, I never like it score a hat-trick here, you know.
Me?
It doesn't look that hard. On the head, Jamie. On the head, man.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Stand on the centre circle. And I'll go round you with this. Stand on the centre circle. Stand on the centre circle.
The other side, we need to start making our way over this way now. Stay together, please.
Nice.
I know you can hear me.
1, 2, 3, 5 seconds till the first goal.
Just stand there, stand still. I'll go round you with this. You ready? Cool. Cool, very cool.
I turn my head up for 360.
Come on, out the way. Come on, people want to get pictures.
I tried to do a piggyback. I tried to do a piggyback.
Come on, Luca.
I wish we could stay here forever.
Guys, watch this goal.
Don't run down the wing.
Right guys, you need to start coming back this way now.
Come on, run back this way.
See how fast you can get here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're too slow, lads. Hey. I can't anymore, I'm too tired, I'm old now. Hey. I nearly beat you, I know. I'd used everything I had about me to try and beat you in that race before, but I still lost.
Luca.
Guys, we need to start heading over to Lee and John now, okay?
Come on, let's go.
I'm sorry to be bossy.
Luca.
I really don't like
You
to be
want to
bossy.
tackle me?
Guys, in the centre circle.
Sonny, Luca.
Guys, over there.
Sprint to me.
Start heading over that way now for us. You get a picture of the goal.
That was a dive there. That was a dive there.
No, alright, does it to me? Okay.
Get pictures for us, guys.
Luca, do it to me! Luca! Sonny, come here!
Jamie! Jamie!
Luca! Luca!
Jamie!
Before you cross.
Come on now, come on.
Please don't do that again. Dive! How did I?
Come on, up, up.
You same belt.
Yeah, put your scarves in the air. Your scarves in the air.
Wait. Liverpool is the best. Liverpool.
Champione.
Luca, tackle. Liverpool. Tackle. Free kick. Right. Tackle me. Please don't kick me. Oh! Silly, you tackle me. Then I didn't try over me. Okay. I haven't touched you. Get off. No, try to hit me. No, get off. You should have hit me with your scarf. Fine. Luca, I'll tackle you. Fake. Run.
Come on,
Now
look.
you tackle me.
Why don't you just run up and down? You might get a chance to do this again. Go on, send halfway line and back.
Bye-bye, Groff.
Have a race.
From here. 3, 2, 1, go.
Guys, could you come back, please?
Come on, this way. Hey!
There's one to touch Dad's finger. Dad, hold this. All right. Dad.
Come on, let's see some celebrations. What celebrations do you know? Did you know?
I got one.
What celebrations do you know, Sonny?
This is a good one, look. Mommy, no very good celebration.
Okay, folks, get your last photos, please. Thank you.
Come on up now, stop.
It's the cold. It's stressful.
4 people in from Australia.
Stop.
Oh,
Again, guys, I'm sorry to rush you. It's afternoon.
come on, stop now.
Don't you think?
Right, come on, up.
Really up.
Up.
Oh.
Come on, right, stop now. Had a bit of fun, been good now, stop. Stop, Luca.
I forgot to bottle the red back there.
Stop. I haven't touched them.
Sonny,
No, like lock it in.
Sonny, that's the corner where Trent sucked the corner. The Barcelona game. Go on, run to the corner flag.
Okay, everyone.
Think.
Luca.
Yes. Hug me, camera. Oh. So
Go on, run down here, back. Go.
Who said that? Okay.
Off.
Well, please don't tip me over.
Okay, let's head over this way.
Listen. If you want to do a celebration in the corner, go and do it now before we go.
Someone did that again.
The dodgy one.
Be careful, you don't trip. That's Trent Alexander corner against Barcelona. Yeah, come here, mate. Go up the stairs. Stay here.
Whoa. Huh? Where are we going?